Hi everyone, this is Bala Shamla from Akshavi Trends, exclusive fashion jewelry, Salem 22, Bhaskara Plaza, Fairlands, Salem 16. Almost 12 years I am passionate into tailoring, boutique, complete customization of hand embroidery, machine embroidery. இப்போ past 6 years வந்து Akshavi Trends brandல exclusive fashion jewelry we are doing. Now we are into online in Instagram, Facebook and YouTube channel. So YouTube channelல வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா I'm just describing all about my products in detail. So you could know all about my products, okay? So வந்து Akshavi Trendsல we have got all unique collection, designer, bridal and customized beads collection. We do have unique jhumka collections. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful jhumka collection and my WhatsApp number is 98427568222 and for booking and enquiries you can message or contact 98437568222. We'll go to Akshavi Trends now. Beautiful jhumka collections. First jhumka, this is a beautiful matte gold tilagam shape with white stones and ruby stones. This jhumka is for 950. Tilakam shape with complete white stone outer line, one middle emerald stones and with ruby stone in jhumka with white stone. See the back finishing, it has got a very beautiful back finishing and with ruby and pearl hanging. This jhumka is for 950. This is for 950. It's a very pretty and approximately it will come 1.5 inches. It's a very pretty piece. See, half jhumka with white stone, half with matte finishing, there white stones with ruby one line. This is for 950. Next jhumka, it's an umbrella pattern. It's very pretty and designer piece. See, it has got a beautiful design, a big leaf and ruby stones are there. This is a matte gold with pearl and it has got a very different floral bunches with ruby and emerald stone. It is very pretty and it looks like an umbrella design and this is for 1990. It's all a designer pieces jhumka what I am showing. It's all a very unique and pretty matte gold collection. You can see there is one flower center with full of leaf spreading and water drops with ruby stones. And this piece is very beautiful actually with full of ruby stones and gives you a very beautiful look also. This is a very beautiful piece, 1990. It is a classic collection. The another jhumka is very beautiful one, 2-layer jhumka with peacock. You can say it like peacock or annam with pearl one side, white stone in the center, that is outline. Center it has got an emerald stone. The annam eyes is with ruby stone and this has got a very beautiful finishing. 3-layer stone, one with ruby, middle layer with white stone and ruby stone. And same pattern in the last row also. It has got small one and bigger one with pearl hanging. Center again it has got a beautiful pearl and back side you can see the finishing. It is an excellent finishing. This is a matte gold for 1250. This jhumka is for 1250. This is for 1250. It has got a classy look, traditional look. You can match with all your dresses, sari, maxi, frocks, maxi that is traditional frocks, even with anarkalis. This is a pretty part of the jhumka. This annam is very beautifully designed with one side pearl and gold coverage. This is for 1250. This jhumka is for 1250. The next other beautiful jhumka, it is very pretty. See, it has got a big flower with white kundan stone with creeper design jhumka with white kundan stone, kem with pearl hanging. It has got a very nice pattern in the center. It will cover your full ears with creeper design. This is for 1400. It is a very, very exclusive and pretty piece. See the stone, it has got a good glitter actually. This has got a good glitter. It will be a very good for your party wear, for receptions. It's a very, very pretty piece. 1400. This flower has got a 2-line with white white kundans and gemstone. This is all a matte finish. This is again a different jhumka. See, it has got a floor, one again a half circle pattern with white stone, golden balls hanging with floral design and jhumka. This will come approximately 3 inches and this is for 1250. This is for 1250. It is a very, very, very pretty piece. See the danglings, it will be very pretty and cute. See, it has got a white stone, again a dangling and jhumka. This is with golden balls. This is with golden balls. It's a very pretty and beautiful piece. I can just keep and show. This is for approximately 3 inches. And final piece of the day. Okay, so these are the beautiful 5 jhumka collections I have showed you. Kindly keep following my YouTube channel. You can subscribe and give a bell button for regular updates. For all the online shopping, you can contact my number 98427 56822, 98437 56822, and you can follow regularly my live 12 to 1 o'clock in Facebook and Instagram, and daily images will be shared in Facebook also. And we have got all bridal collection. You can inquiry for all the bridal collections also, for rental also. Okay, keep shopping with Akshavi Trends. Happy shopping, stay safe and stay healthy.